and welcome back to my channel. I am Upasana Taneja, and in today's video we are starting ordinary differential equations. What are differential equations? What are ordinary differential equations? Why do we call them ordinary differential equations? Okay, and what do they represent? Why do we study them? What is their order and degree? So in this video we will complete all these. Okay, so please watch the video till the very end so that you know about the topic. Okay, so now we are starting what are ordinary differential equations. First of all, we will start with this. What is equation? What are equations? Suppose we have x plus y. What is that? Is that an equation? No, we all know it is very simple that if we are studying an equation, we should have an equal sign in that. Okay, otherwise it is a polynomial. If we are writing x plus y, only x square. Okay, so if we are writing only these, then these are polynomials, not equation. If we have equal to sign, then this becomes an equation. Now this is an equation. Okay, so now, and in this equation we have x and we have y. Okay, so if we study about differential equations, we already know what are derivatives. For differential equations, we should have a function. If we have a function, suppose we have a function y which is a function of x. That means we will say y is dependent variable and x is independent variable. So, and we have studied about derivatives. What is this? This is rate of change of this quantity with respect to this quantity. Okay, these are derivatives. We know about these. So, if we have an equation, of derivatives, suppose I have dy by dx whole square plus 5x equal to 7. If we have an equation of derivatives, we can have x, we can have y, we can have derivatives. So these type of equations are called differential equations because these are containing differentials. If an equation has differentials in it, then it is called differential equation. Okay, it may have, suppose we have d2y, it may have second derivative plus first derivative plus 7y equal to x. It may have their powers. Okay, it may have all other functions, many other functions, like we have, suppose we have 7 sine y, sine x, cos x, e raised to power x, log x. It may have anything, any function. Okay, but it should contain derivatives. Then it is called differential equation. Okay, so now we have differential. What is a differential equations? If we have only ordinary derivatives, what are ordinary derivatives? Suppose we have a function y is equal to f of x and we have a function z is equal to f of xy. In this function, in y is equal to fx, y is dependent variable, okay, and x is independent variable. Okay, that means if we have only one independent variable, okay, if in an equation we have only one independent variable, I will represent all this with a diagram. Okay, so first of all we will understand this little bit, then we will see it with the help of a diagram, and I will write equation as well. I will write the definition as well. Okay, so let's see this first. See, what do we have? If we have, what do we have? If we have y is equal to fx, if we have only one independent variable, dependent variable and independent variable. We all know about that. Suppose we have a function y is equal to x square. Y is dependent on x. If x will increase, y will increase. Okay, and x is independent variable. So these type of equations, if we have only one independent variable in a function, then we take ordinary derivative. Ordinary derivative means dy by dx, d2y by dx2. We take normal derivative. Okay, but in case we have a function which is dependent on two variables. Okay, suppose we have z is equal to x square plus y square. So now z is dependent on two variables. So if we need to find derivative, we cannot find like this, because where we have more than one quantity, then we can have partiality. Therefore we say it partial differential equation, and if we will differentiate it, we will not write dz by dx, we will write curly z by curly x, curly z by curly y, or we say del z by del x. But in this series we are not studying this, we are studying ordinary differential equations only, so we will concentrate on these only. What are ordinary differential equations? If we have only one independent variable, then ordinary. If we have more than one independent variable, okay, then it is partial differential equations, and we will see it with the help of, with the counting of dependent variables also. So let's write definition and then make the diagram which shows the classification of differential equations in ordinary and partial. Let's come to that now. So I hope now you have understood that what are ordinary differential equations, how we see what are equations, what are ordinary equations, and what are ordinary differential equations. And you know, where do we use them? Suppose we are doing research, we are doing analysis of any company, and that what is the profit, what is that. For everything we need to make the differential equations. If we are modeling a system, okay, then we need to make differential equations. So for that we start from the basics in class 12th or in first year. Okay, so see here, now we have studied. So here we have definition, that how do we say what is ordinary differential equation. A differential equation is an equation that relates one or more functions with their derivatives. Like suppose we have dy by dx plus y x equal to 7. It is, suppose we have dy by dx plus y square equal to 8x. Okay, suppose we have dz by dx plus x equal to 7y. Okay, so if we have, what do we have? If this equation, any equation is relating, this is a relation between function and its derivative, relating one or more functions with their derivatives, then that equation is called differential equation. Suppose we have del z by del x, del z by del y equal to 7. Okay, so these type of equations are called differential equations. Further, we classify differential equations in two types: ordinary differential equations and partial differential equations. If we have a function which is dependent only on one variable, then we will, and if we will find derivative dy by dx equal to 2x, then we say that this is, in this function we have only one independent variable, and we will find ordinary derivative. We say it ordinary derivative. And if we have more than one independent variable, z is dependent on x and y, then we find curly z by curly x and curly z by curly y also. So we find partial derivatives. Here we cannot write dz by dx, because that is not complete derivative, that is not ordinary derivative, that is partial derivative. So we will write like this. So if in a differential equation we have only one independent variable, then we call it ordinary differential equation. And if in an equation we have more than one independent variables, then we call it partial differential equation. Okay, but we are not studying this in our topic. We will continue this only, ordinary part. So what are ordinary differential equations? Only one independent variable, and then we further classify them in one dependent variable or more than one dependent variable. Okay, suppose we have only one dependent variable, dy by dx equal to 2x, this equation, and then this will be the case. If we have more than one dependent variable, then it becomes the case of we study system of equations. Okay, then it is like that. Suppose we have dy by dx plus 2x equal to 3, dz by dx plus 3z equal to 4x. Suppose something like this. Okay, so this is system of equations. So in ordinary differential equations we classify like this, and in partial differential equations also we classify like this, that we have one dependent variable or more than one dependent variable. Okay, so now we have studied what are ordinary differential equations and how do we classify them. I hope you are understanding this. If you are getting this, then please subscribe to my channel. So now we will see standard form and some examples of differential equations. So this is the standard form of a differential equation. How do we represent this? F of x, y, dy by dx, d2y by dx2 up to so on. Okay, that means it can have independent variable, it can have dependent variable or that function which is dependent on x, and it can have any derivative of that dependent variable or of that function. So we can represent, if we have f of x, we can represent fx, f double dash x for second derivative, or if we are representing by y, we can write dy by dx, d2y by dx2 up to so on, or we can write y dash, y double dash, y triple dash up to so on, depending on which derivative we are using. Okay, so these forms we can use in our differential equations. So we can write standard form as f of x, y, y dash, y double dash up to so on, y nth is equal to 0. Okay, so these are some examples. Sin 2x plus e raised to power 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. Okay, so 1 plus d2y by dx 2 raised to power 1 by 2 is equal to this. So these are some examples of differential equations. Okay, so I hope you understood the lecture. If you are liking my videos, please subscribe my channel. Please press bell button so that you can get latest updates. And please visit my channel for more videos of modern algebra and real analysis. Thank you so much for watching.